Hi, I'm Kyle Thomas with Tomahawk Attachments, Napney, Indiana. Today I have our 72-inch Heavy Duty Rake Grapple. This is a demolition commercial grade grapple built with hardened 1/2-inch steel. This grapple has universal skid steer quick attach mount. It's powder coated black. It's got a 31-inch depth to it, 34 inches tall. And when the tines are all the way open, it has a 50-inch opening width. It weighs 1,205 pounds, and with that being said, this grapple is built for a larger machine with a lift capacity of 2,500 pounds or greater. This grapple offers excellent visibility and durability. It's ideal for picking up rocks, logs, and debris. The serrated teeth ensure a secure load and minimize slippage. The bottom tines are constructed out of 1/2-inch thick steel, and the top clamps are 3/8 inch. The tooth tips are made out of AR 400 grade heavy duty steel to ensure long-lasting durability. The top clamps are also independent for securing uneven loads. The two 3,500 PSI cylinders are located on each side of the grapple and behind the grapple for protection. This grapple comes with hydraulic hoses and 1/2-inch NPT fittings. Come see us today at 1952 West Market Street, Napney, Indiana. Our retail store is open from 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, you can check us out on the web at tomahawkattachments.com.